Good morning and welcome back to the channel. I have a very special build for you again today. I don't know how the videos are going to fall chronologically, but this should be 2 Rams in a row for you guys. I know you're always saying I do too many Chevys, so I'm trying to branch out and do some more things. So check this one out. I haven't looked at the year yet, but I believe this is a 2022, maybe a 23 Ram 2500. The reason that I think this is going to be so special is because right now the truck is on a leveling kit in 35s. But what's cool about this truck is we're going to do air ride in it. We're going to take away the springs right here, and we're going to put an airbag kit for the rear. That means the truck's all air in the rear, no coil springs, so it's going to be good for load leveling and things like that. The really exciting thing about this truck is it's getting a set of 28-inch KG1 forged Heathen wheels in the all gloss black finish. I'll show you those here in just a few minutes, but I'm very excited about this one. Stay tuned. Well guys, we finally got our white Ram 2500 on the ground here with the 28x14s and the 37 1450 28 Furies. This is the KG1 Heathen. Check this wheel out. It looks really good. We did that ready lift kit 6-inch with the Falcon shocks right here, the adjustable piggyback reservoir shocks. There's our radius arm down there from Ready Lift. The really cool part about this is the airbags that we did in the back. We completely deleted the coil spring altogether, and we just put an airbag in. You probably saw in the clip earlier, you can lower this truck all the way down and raise it all the way back up now in the back, which is kind of cool. Stay tuned. I'm going to post some more. We still have to do wheel lights on it and a couple other little things before it's done. Let me know what you think. McGoy's just released a 4-inch lift kit for the new GM 2500s. And you've seen 1,000 different, times where we've put McGoy's kits on these trucks, but it's always the 7-inch or the 9-inch. Typically, I usually do the 4-inch Cognito lift whenever somebody wants something smaller on their truck. But now we have the McGoy's, and I'm going to go over some details of the very small differences between Cognito and McGoy's on this 4-inch kit. Not to bash Cognito because I love Cognito, but there are some, significant differences in the kit for wheel fitment and stuff like that. So I'll get to it in the install, but first, let's check out the truck and let me know what you think. Got a 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. This is a truck that the guy uses every day. Runs his company with it. You'll see the magnets on the side of the truck there for his company. Give him a little shout out. He does concrete work. If you need any concrete in the Atlanta area, call them. We're doing a, like I said, the 4-inch McGoy's lift kit with some torsion keys on top to make it sit up a little bit higher in the front. We're gonna need it for the wheel fitment. We're doing a 24 by 14 KG1 Javelin in the high polish finish. And then we're gonna do 35-inch Fury MT tires. Sorry, I got cut off right there for a second. We're doing, like I said, the polish finish, KG1 forged Javelin, 24 by 14s with a 35, 1550, 24 Fury MT. This one's gonna definitely turn out pretty awesome, so stay tuned, and thanks for watching. So if you're a regular on my channel, you will know that the last 2 videos I posted, I kind of threw a little bit of a explanation in those videos of why they weren't complete videos. And it actually affected 3 videos. So the video that I'm editing right now, I wanted to explain to you why there's sections missing. So the white Dodge 2500 that you just watched the video on, I was gonna put some more content of that truck in this video, but that's how far I got before my baby came. So I had to leave abruptly after that, and then, you know, kind of just have what I had on the video. Now, this white truck I was very excited about because this was the first 4-inch McGoy's lift that we put on a new GMC 2500 since McGoy's released this kit. And I was going to do a lot of explanations about this kit and do a full install video of it. But unfortunately, the day that truck got dropped off is the day that I had to leave early. So the day that I got back, which was yesterday, that truck came by for the retorque, so I was able to go out and get a little bit of content on it. So I'm going to throw that in the back of the video here for you to watch now, and I appreciate it, guys. Our truck, it's a 2025 GMC 2500 AT4. Like I said, we did the 4-inch McGoy's lift kit. See the new cross member, it's way different than their 7 to 9. This is the first one we actually installed here at the shop. Pretty proud of it. The lift, we got the upper control arms with it as usual, and then we did a torsion key on top of this lift kit to take it from 4 inches to 6 inches because we did really big tires and wheels on it. These are a 35 1350 24, I'm sorry, 35 1550 24 on a 24 by 14. This is the KG1 Javelin wheel with the 35-inch Fury tire. Let me know what you think in the comments.